Lights go out on Broadway.
Life went on beyond.
Live from Shea Stadium, 2008. I had the honor recently of being interviewed for the Billy Joel documentary. Well, I don't know when it's coming out. I sat down for like an hour and talked about my love of Billy Joel. I even psychoanalyzed him in the special, but the lady doing the documentary said, that's a very interesting take. I go, I don't